Welcome back, everybody. So 2 videos ago or so, I brought you an Erie, Pennsylvania ox roast sandwich. Mike also sent me these. They're the best. Smith's Natural Casing Wieners. We got to do it right here. We're camping, so we have that Blackstone Adventure Ready 28-inch griddle. We were in Erie, Pennsylvania. That's my homeland on the Griddle Tour, and I brought home a bottle of Greek sauce. Sort of synonymous, Greek sauce on a hot dog in Erie, Pennsylvania. A little bit of avocado oil. I have some of last year's Colorado ground antelope. Greek dogs always have ground beef, ground burger on top, but we're in Colorado, so you know it's got to be wild game. Speaking of wild game, hunting seasons will be starting here in another month. Colorado elk, deer, pronghorn. Let me know in the comments down below if you're a hunter. Let me know if you're a Pennsylvania whitetail hunter, or maybe you're a Roosevelt elk hunter out west. Let me know down below. And in with the Greek sauce. We're using a Dutch oven today, and you know I have to put garlic on everything. Our ground antelope is looking good. I don't need to sear it per se. It's not like a patty. It's going into the Greek sauce. Just like with the ox roast video that I brought you recently, this is something that I don't get very often. I've had Smith's hot dogs maybe just 4 or 5 times in the last 25 years, so another treat for me. Clean up my ground antelope mess here, and you can see that Greek sauce starting to simmer. That's what it's all about. These things are the best. So Smith sells regular hot dogs. These are the natural casing ones. Oh my goodness. In the link strands. As you might suspect, these are gonna pop a little bit when you cook them, so I'm gonna keep the heat low. If you've been watching my videos for any length of time, you know I like to season my hot dogs, and you can see it's blowing really bad out here today, so hopefully my windscreen is doing the trick. It's been a few minutes, so I'm gonna, go in there for a little roll, a little flip. These cook so nicely. Colors really good today. My goodness. Picked up some Sara Lee hot dog buns. Gonna warm these up really quickly. We'll just give these a few flips, just trying to warm them up. We'll call that griddler's choice, right? If you've never had one, there's no way to explain it. You get a pop, you get a crack. When you bite into it, there's a little, like an explosion, juicy on the inside, but a little crack, a little pop on the outside. Gonna try to use my spatulas to pick up my Dutch oven. If you're doing this, be careful, friends. In for that Greek sauce. Take a look at that. But before I dive into one of those, I have to have one the natural way. I also have this mustard burning a hole in my pocket. I picked it up when I was in Erie. It is a Buffalo, New York product. I really want to try this out. Horseradish, I love horseradish. Let's give it a try with the horseradish flavored mustard. Delicious, delicious, delicious. That is really good. If you like horseradish, a nice subtle taste of horseradish in the mustard. But this is what we came here for today. That is an Erie, Pennsylvania-style Greek hot dog, a Greek dog with Smith's Natural Casing Wieners. So good. Perfect. So if you've never had one, definitely give one a try. You can try that with any type of a hot dog, but if you're ever out in the Erie, Pennsylvania area, or if you want to order them online, just go buy yourself a Smith's hot dog. So shout out to Mike for sending those to me. These are amazing. Please also make sure you're watching my Let's Give It a Try show on Blackstone social media, and I would appreciate a thumbs up or a comment down below. And until next time, this is Todd. Praise the Lord and pass the Erie, Pennsylvania-style Greek dogs.